Okay, welcome back. Today we are going to work on cash stuffing some of my savings challenges. The first one that I'm doing is the no spend challenge. So I had already filled this out and I wanted to go for the whole month without spending any money on clothes, sneakers, makeup, perfume, or dessert. And the only exemption that I had made was when my daughter would go to dance. So I'm gonna go ahead. So far today is the 10th. I've made it all the way through the 10th and I haven't bought any of these things. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill that in. I've now updated the first 10 days. It's a 30-day month. So I'm a third of the way through the month and I have been successful with maintaining my no spend September. That was my goal, was that I did not want to spend any money on certain things that I usually would buy or overspend money on. So far, I'm pretty proud of myself that I've made it through the first 10 days. So now next week I'll come back, or around the 20th, I'll come back and I'll see how I do in the next 10 days. I feel pretty motivated and committed. I'm not gonna lie, I did almost slip on the clothes. And I am kind of feeling like I need to get something for makeup, but I'm gonna try to push through and wait. So let me take a second and just explain what the no spend challenge is. It's where you would take certain items or products or things that, or even food. It doesn't have to be just things that you would buy, that's material things. It could also be going places, like going out, going to the movies, spending whatever you feel is something that you spend money on frequently. You're going to challenge yourself not to spend the money on that. So for myself, my no spend challenge for this month was to not spend any money on clothes, sneakers, makeup, perfume, and dessert. Going out and getting dessert, because we do a lot of that in the summer. So and then you can make exemptions. So like, let's say that you're a nurse but you need like scrubs and you need something, then you might do that. But to purchase just clothes for going out or for an unnecessary reason, that would be then something that you would be challenging yourself. So that's why it's called a no spend challenge. It could vary for everybody, and you can do this over and over again, and every month you can change up what the things are that you don't want to spend money on. The motivation is to keep you from spending, obviously, money on something that you would normally just feel comfortable spending money on. So I'm now all caught up and I'm going to come back and see if I can continue crushing it in the next 10 days. Make sure that you follow to see if I can continue crushing my no spend September goals.